How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami BAYA. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to set boundaries with a narcissist. That's the title of this video. Setting boundaries with a narcissist can be challenging, but it is crucial for maintaining your well-being and protecting your mental health. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this process effectively. Number one, understand narcissism. In order to set boundaries with a narcissist, you need to start by understanding everything about narcissism. Begin by familiarizing yourself with narcissistic behavior. Narcissists typically exhibit traits such as a lack of empathy, a need for excessive admiration, and a tendency to exploit others. Understanding these traits can help you anticipate their responses and strategize accordingly. To set boundaries with a narcissist, you also need to recognize your needs. Identify what boundaries you need to set. This might include emotional boundaries, e.g., not allowing their behavior to affect your mood. Physical boundaries, for example, needing personal space, or practical boundaries, for example, limiting the time you spend together. In order to set boundaries with a narcissist, you need to prepare for resistance. Narcissists often resist boundaries because they feel entitled to have their needs met without regard for others. Be prepared for pushback, manipulation, or attempts to undermine your boundaries. Number 4, be clear and specific. When setting boundaries, be as clear and specific as possible. Vague boundaries can lead to misunderstandings or give the narcissist room to test your limits. For example, instead of saying, "I need some space," specify, "I need to be alone for an hour each evening to unwind." The other thing, in setting boundaries with a narcissist, you need to communicate calmly. Approach the conversation calmly and assertively. Narcissists may try to provoke emotional reactions to gain control. Maintain your composure to ensure your message is heard and respected. Use I statements when setting boundaries with a narcissist. Frame your boundaries in terms of your own needs and feelings. For instance, say, "I feel overwhelmed when you interrupt me constantly," rather than making accusatory statements like, "You always interrupt me." In order to set boundaries with a narcissist, be firm and consistent. Consistency is key when dealing with narcissists. They may test your boundaries repeatedly. Reinforce your boundaries firmly and consistently without wavering. In order to set boundaries with a narcissist, prepare for gaslighting. Narcissists might use gaslighting to make you doubt your perceptions or reality. Stay grounded in your understanding of the situation and trust your judgment. Keep a record of interactions if necessary to reinforce your boundaries. To set boundaries with a narcissist, avoid engaging in power struggles. Engaging in arguments or power struggles with a narcissist often escalates the situation. Instead, assert your boundaries without getting drawn into conflicts. To set boundaries with a narcissist, set consequences. Clearly outline the consequences if your boundaries are violated. For example, if you continue to speak to me disrespectfully, I will need to end this conversation. Be prepared to follow through on these consequences if necessary. In order to set boundaries with a narcissist, you need to limit your availability. Managing how much time you spend with the narcissist can be a practical boundary. You might choose to limit interactions to specific times or situations to protect your well-being. In order to set boundaries with a narcissist, you need to protect your self-esteem. Narcissists can undermine your self-esteem with their criticism or manipulation. Reinforce your sense of self-worth by surrounding yourself with supportive people and engaging in self-care activities. To set boundaries with a narcissist, you need to avoid personalization. Recognize that a narcissist's behavior is a reflection of their own issues, not a reflection of your worth or actions. Don't take their negative behavior personally. Again, to set boundaries with a narcissist, seek support. Having a support system can be crucial when dealing with a narcissist. Reach out to friends, family, or a therapist who can provide perspective and encouragement. To set boundaries with a narcissist, educate yourself about manipulation tactics. Learn about common manipulation tactics used by narcissists, such as guilt tripping or emotional blackmail. Understanding these tactics can help you respond effectively and maintain your boundaries. To set boundaries with a narcissist, practice self-care. Regularly engage in activities that rejuvenate and comfort you. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health is essential when dealing with the stress of interacting with a narcissist. To set boundaries with a narcissist, consider professional help. In cases where boundaries are repeatedly crossed or the situation becomes overwhelming, seeking help from a mental health professional can provide guidance and strategies for coping. Again, to set boundaries with a narcissist, prepare for emotional fallout. Setting boundaries with a narcissist can lead to emotional fallout, including anger or attempts at manipulation. So be prepared for these reactions and have strategies in place to protect yourself. To set boundaries with a narcissist, re-evaluate boundaries as needed. As your relationship with the narcissist evolves, you may need to adjust your boundaries, regularly reassess and adjust them to fit your current needs and the dynamics of the relationship. To set boundaries with a narcissist, finally, you need to know when to walk away. In some cases, the most effective boundary is to distance yourself or to end the relationship entirely. If a narcissist's behavior is causing significant harm and they refuse to respect your boundaries, it may be necessary to protect yourself by walking away. Remember, setting boundaries with a narcissist requires clarity, consistency, and self-awareness. By implementing these strategies, you can protect yourself while managing the relationship more effectively. Thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please spare a second or two and smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get notified about it. Remember, knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. Let's build each other up. Let's grow together. I love you all to the moon and back. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.